Hi, hello, welcome to Masters Motivation. This is Shrikant and welcome to our channel. We live in a world where machines are no longer just tools. They are thinkers, decision makers, and in some cases, replacement for us. But have we ever stopped to ask, at what cost? From self-driving car to AI doctors diagnosing diseases better than humans, artificial intelligence is advancing at an astonishing pace. While innovation is often celebrated, behind the glory facade of progress lurks a darker truth, one that threatens millions of lives. The first victims of AI's rise, the workers. Factories that once buzzed with human activity now operate with silent efficiency. Controlled by intelligent machines, thousands of workers replaced in the name of progress. But where do they go? And what happens to them? The worker. I gave 20 years of my life to this company. One day, they told me I was not needed anymore. Missions had taken over. No severance and no transition plan. Just a pink slip and a world that do not need me anymore. But it's just not factory workers, writers, artists, and even lawyers and doctors. Professions once considered untouchable and now being replaced by AI-driven systems. Missions that never tire, never demand wages, and never question authority. We are not just losing jobs. We are losing trust. AI-generated deepfakes spreading misinformation at a high rate, eroding our ability to distinguish truth from fiction. And in the hands of those with power, AI becomes a tool of control. Artificial intelligence is watching every move we make, every word we type. It's all being recorded, analyzed, and used against us. Governments and corporations use AI to track behaviors, manipulate decisions, and determine who gets opportunities and who does not. We are entering an era where AI does not just replace humans, it governs them. Imagine a world where machines decide who gets hired, and who gets medical treatment, and even who is work of freedom. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening now. The programmer. I helped to build some of these AI models. At first, it was exciting, creating something smarter than humans. But now, I wonder if we have gone too far. Are we designing our own obsolescence? But it's not too late. Around the world, voices are rising, demanding ethical AI, fair labor transitions, and regulations that protect humanity. The only question is, will we act before it's too late? Artificial intelligence is here. The question is not whether AI will replace us, but whether we will let it. And thank you for watching the video.